Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily set up GA4 e-commerce tracking for your website using this ready-made template. So if you are using WordPress CMS and if you are using a custom-made website and your GA4 schema looks like this. So if you come to the GA4 official documentation, then you will get a schema like this: data layer.push, event name purchase, and inside e-commerce object you will have transaction ID, value, tax, shipping, currency, coupon, items. Inside items you will have item ID, item name, affiliation, coupon, discount, and all of the necessary parameters, quantity, price. And if you match your website data layer schema with this GA4 recommended data layer schema, then you can use this pre-built or custom-made or ready-made template. Okay, so if I try to show you what I have done in this video, I have set up comprehensive e-commerce tracking, GA4 e-commerce tracking, where I have set up add to cart event. If I try to show you, then you can see over here we have the event name as add to cart, and event parameters are currency, value, items. So and we are using the customer information for the page view event, add to cart event, view cart event, and checkout event. So in the customer information, we are providing first name, last name, email, phone number, city, state, country, and this informations. Okay. So similarly for the begin checkout event, if I go to over here, then you can see over here I'm using the customer information, then all the necessary parameters for the begin checkout event and the triggering. Similarly for if I go to the PSP event, then you can see over here. Okay. Then if I go to the purchase event, then you will see the different customer informations over here. Customer billing information for the purchase event. This is for the specific, and we're providing parameters like currency, value, items, coupon, transaction ID, tax, and shipping. Okay. So everything available here. Then what you need to do for the view cart and view item event, the same. Then what you need to do after downloading the JSON file, you need to change your Google tag ID. So what you need to do, you need to come to the variables section. Then if you scroll down, then you will have an option called GA4 measurement ID. Then you need to change this measurement ID and use your measurement ID from the analytics and data stream section. So you'll get the data stream or measurement ID from here, and you just need to change just this one. And other than changing this, you don't need to change anything else. Okay. So first of all, I will export this JSON file and give it to you. Then you can easily import it. So I'm gonna export this file. So for exporting, I'll go to the admin section, and there is an option called export container. Then I'll choose default workspace, and you can see the existing text, triggers, and variables. So I'll click on export, and I'll download this JSON file. Okay, so if you want, you can preview the JSON from here. I'll download this file, and I'll go to a new tag manager account. For example, this is your tag manager account where you'll not have any tags, triggers, and variables. Okay, you can see empty. So what you need to do after downloading the JSON file, you need to go to the admin section. Then you will have an option called import container. You need to click on it. You need to choose container file. Then you need to choose this JSON file and need to click open. Then you need to click on existing default workspace. Then you need to select override. Okay. Then you need to click on add to workspace. Then you will see all the tag triggers and variable over here. So in your container, as I already told you, you need to go to the variable section and just need to change this measurement ID. And other than changing this, you don't need to do anything. So if you do it, then you can easily set up the complete GA4 e-commerce tracking for your website. If I try to show you how it will be working. Okay, so I'll go to the preview section. Then I will click on continue. I'll make a purchase. So I'll select this product. If I go to here, then you can see GA4 event name view item is firing. Then I'll click on add to cart. Then you will see the add to cart event is also firing. Then if I click on view cart, then the view cart event should also be fired. You can see the view cart event is firing. Then I'll click on the checkout. Then you will see an event called begin checkout has fired one time. And after giving the billing details, I'll click on place order. Then you will see the purchase event will be firing. It hasn't fired yet, but it will be fired soon. Yeah, it has fired. You can see over here. So this is how you can set up GA4 e-commerce tracking using my custom or pre-built or built-in template. Okay, so yeah, if you need this template, please feel free to uh, message me on WhatsApp. I'll be providing you this file. Okay, yeah, you have a good day. Bye bye.